Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the SanDisk Ultra 32GB micro SDHC Class 10 memory card. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So this is a 32GB micro SD card from SanDisk, and it supports full HD or 1080p video recording. And here are some of the product details of the micro SDHC Class 10 memory card, along with its specifications, and it does have a 7-year warranty. So now let's go ahead and open up the packet by, of course, cutting it open by following the dotted line that's indicated at the back of the packet. And now that we've cut open that dotted line, perhaps maybe slightly lower, right there, and of course splitting the packet apart to reveal the plastic container holding the SanDisk Ultra 32GB micro SDHC Class 10 memory card. So giving you a good look at the tiny little micro SD card right there, front as well as back of it. So it does have a white, red, and grey coloring. Now let's go ahead and, of course, open it up by peeling it from the corner. There is a thin layer of plastic film, so all we need to do is, of course, peel the plastic film back, which I'm not doing very well at. So let's give it another try. Perhaps from another part. Okay. Seems like we've failed in the peeling of that film there. So I'm just going to go ahead and make an incision very carefully using a penknife there. And then peeling back that protective packaging film. And now tipping, of course, the micro SD card in my hand. So right there, you can see the tiny little micro SDHC Class 10 memory card with a 32GB capacity. And just to show you just how small that is, of course, resting on my fingertip and then flipping it back just to show you the opposite side or the underside of the memory card. And of course the thickness as well. So this memory card has a 7-year guarantee or warranty and features Class 10 speeds, which supports full HD or 1080p video recording. And of course, resting the micro SD card in the palm of my hand just to give you some sense of the size of the micro SD card. So giving you various aspects to the dimensions and overall size and shape. of this micro SD card by SanDisk. And of course, resting it on the tip of my finger right there. So you have a nice clear view of the memory card. So that's the SanDisk Ultra 32GB micro SD HC Class 10 memory card. Thanks for watching and happy saving!